nagtayo tayo ng pag-asa itong araw na to. Hindi lang bubong ang ibinigay natin. May seguridad, dignidad, at bagong simula tayong inialalay sa bawat pamilya. Let me take this moment to honor again the visionary leadership behind all of this. Our President, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., through his pambansang pabahay para sa Pilipino program, we are not just talking about reform. We are seeing real, lasting, life-changing results. Sa ilalim ni Pangulong Marcos, ang pangarap na bahay ay hindi na lang usapan. Ito ay susi na ngayon sa kamay ng bawat pamilyang Pilipino. As Speaker of the House, again, I assure you, the legislative branch stands firmly behind this mission. We will continue to pass the laws, secure the budgets, and push for the reforms needed to give every Filipino a fighting chance at a decent life. Again, my idol to Secretary Jerry Acusar, thank you for translating the President's vision into a reality. To Mayor Cuevas, your dedication to the people of Palayan is truly commendable. To our partners in the private sector, kasama ka dyan, Bong, mga Ayala Group, at lahat kayo po na tumutulong dito, thank you for your generosity. Kaya sinabi ko, this will be remembered for the generations to come. At sa mga bagong mga homeowners natin, congratulations sa inyong mga bagong tahanan. This is just the beginning. Nandito po kami, ang gobyerno ninyo, para sumuporta sa bawat hakbang ng inyong bagong buhay. Ito ang bagong Pilipinas. Isang gobyerno hindi lang nangangako, kundi natutupad. Hindi lang nakikinig, kundi kumikilos. Mabuhay ang Palayan City Township. Mabuhay si President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Mabuhay ang Rizal. Mabuhay ang sabayang Pilipino. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at mga araw sa inyong natin. Thank you.
Once again, a warm round of applause to our Speaker of the House of Representatives, Honorable Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez. Thank you so much. Your insight, efforts, and presence adds great value to this gathering, especially to the people of Palayan City. As we continue this program, maybe we can have the photo opportunity together with our officials and head of agencies. All right, we will start with our guest speakers, and of course, the Mayor of Palayan City, together with our Honorable Sir Vicente Bong Cuevas.
Hindi na, isa na lang, di ba? Yung isa doon.
And now at this time,
Lahat naman.
we encourage you po na samahan po natin ang ating mga taga-Palayan. No? At everyone, we encourage you all to please stand up dahil magkakaroon tayo ng group photo together with... Samahan natin sila, no? Samahan natin ang ating mga guest speakers, si Secretary Acuzar and of course, our House Speaker, Romualdez, together with our Mayor Cuevas and Sir Bong Cuevas. Ngayon na rin po si Sir Romaric, kasama ang ating SP member, Honorable Alvin Magtalas. And of course, all of our officials mula sa DSUD. Picture po tayo. Let's count in 3, 2, 1. One more in 3, 2, 1. So before we continue with our lunch, maybe we could have Okay, this concludes our program. So once again, to all our guests, partner local agencies and national government agencies, private sectors, esteemed speakers and officials, thank you so much for the success of this 4PH Palayan City Township Facility Tour. Thank you so much. So this is the opportunity to have the conversation kung saan makakasalamuhan natin at makakausap natin mismo ang ating secretary, ang ating mayor, and of course, our guest speaker, House Speaker, Martin Romualdez.
Galing, ha?